Shares of Carvana higher today. Gains persisting after a mix of last week's strong second quarter guidance and used car prices rising. So a little bit, partly surprised by this, not completely surprised by this, especially when we look at like the sales numbers we saw today, used car sales rising, looking at shares of Carvana up over double digits over the past couple days, extending their gains. But look, some analysts say, I mean, this stock is overvalued. So, but it's not playing out in terms of the numbers today. Investors joining in on Carvana. It's not just the risk on trade. I mean, one of the data points that we looked at recently, Brad, was about the amount of time people were holding on to their cars. And the data showed it was at a record at around 12 years now, which it used to be, I guess, 9 to 11 years. And 11 years was kind of unheard of. I've held on to my car is 8 years old. So I'm heading there. I think 7 or 8 years old, something like that.
Okay,
yes.
That's
so
solid.
I'm heading there. I've got the itch now. And but I don't know that I'm going to Carvana. But investors piling into that one today.
Yeah, and taking a look at, I'm glad we had the year-to-date view of this stock because it perfectly shows how much of a rebound has had to be necessary just for analysts to resume their coverage of this company. You look back to the year that was 2022 for Carvana. This was Yahoo Finance's worst performer of the year. And you're taking a look at kind of that longer-term scale and how far from grace this company has fallen. And so over the past 2 years, still down by about 90%. Still got a lot of work to get back into good graces of investors, but that's really going to come back into the resumption of when people are looking to get more of the hands on the used vehicles and when more used vehicles come onto the market as well.
Indeed. And also the interest rate environment.
Absolutely.
Yeah.